sa'yo? Ito akin. Ano sa'yo? Ito akin.
This car is made from Korea.
Ganda ng sasakyan.
True. Anong model? Ano siya? May Korean siya. Proud. Proudly. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Oh shit.
경로 안내를 시작합니다.
Oh.
Medyo may ganyan dyan daw. Uy. Korean ka lang.
Are you Korean?
응? 야, 한국 사람이에요.
Oh my God.
Oh, we can turn left there, right?
코딜레라 방면 좌회전입니다.
Or we turn. Wait. So we can go to left here.
약 300m 후
Lagot kayo. Hindi ko
맞으면서
alam
방면
kung teka lang.
좌회전입니다.
Yeah. Follow the ways, sir. Follow the ways.
Okay.
You follow the ways.
You watching K-drama, maybe?
Dito.
May
What?
drama daw.
You watching K-drama?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And who is your favorite Korean actor?
Park Bogum.
Oh, really?
So handsome.
So, sino yung isa yung may K-pop group?
Blackpink.
Oh, yeah, Blackpink. Very, very popular pa Blackpink.
Yes, I love Blackpink. You know, I'm a Blink.
Paano ka sumayaw?
Yeah, also they will release a new song, this February 27.
Oh, you're very
yes. Oh my God. I'm
Very
so,
updated.
Yes, I'm so updated.
You speak Korean a little. You?
Little.
Yeah.
But
Wow.
Try,
you
try.
know,
Talaga ba?
I speak but I don't understand. Yeah.
Try.
Oh.
No.
안녕하세요.
Ayun lang.
Bigina.
That's it?
I don't know. I forgot.
Forgot.
Yeah.
B.
You been Korea? You been Korea before?
No.
Have you been Korea before?
Never.
No, never.
Never.
Yeah.
Never.
Aniyo.
Aniyo.
Yeah, 아니요.
I have I have 감사합니다.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. 감사합니다.
Amadaya. Oh, maybe.
How long have you been here in Philippines?
Yeah.
2 years here.
2 years old?
I have a business here.
약 500m
Oh.
후 블라먼
What kind of business?
샤브. 샤브. 샤브샤브, you know the.
I thought
Yung
hot
hot
pot.
pot.
Yeah, I
Hot
love
pot.
that. Oh my god, it's so
There,
freaking delicious.
Eating what? Hot, yeah. Korean loves hot pot.
Ay.
Because Korea, China, and Japan are cold countries.
Yeah, cold. That's why we need the hot
Yes.
pot. Yeah.
Here in the Philippines, we love sinigang.
Ay, yeah.
Means
Adobo.
I do love adobo.
Adobo, yeah, adobo. I like the adobo.
Yeah, I know how to cook.
I don't know the chicken.
Do you want me to cook adobo for you?
wow! Pala burn.
Sure.
Probably represent.
You good cooking adobo?
Yes, I
Yeah,
know.
he actually
a lot of
really cooks well.
Where
Baba-
do you live here?
Actually, I'm originally from North.
North Korea?
Korea?
Oh my gosh.
I
North Korea? Oh my gosh.
live in North Fairview, you know?
Ah.
North Fairview.
North Korea.
You know? Commonwealth.
Fairview.
Yeah, I live in North Fairview.
I thought it was North Korea.
Yeah.
학생이에요, 학생? You student?
Student, no.
No,
we're not
only
student anymore.
working.
블라먼
Yes.
방면
Oh, yeah.
좌회전입니다.
We
You're
already
working.
passed the test. Charat.
야, 그런데 얘는 뭐예요? 얘는 뭐예요? What's your name?
Your name.
Yeah, what's
What's
your
your
name?
name daw, kuya?
My name is EJ, and this one,
My name is
Miggy.
Miga.
In Korea, can you try in Korean? 저는
By the way, 안녕하세요.
Yeah.
Miggy, Miggy.
야,
미기입니다.
저는 미기입니다.
미기입니다.
And you, what's your name?
Camille.
카밀입니다.
Camille.
yeah. And
Sydney.
Sydney, ano?
시드니입니다.
Australia.
시드니요.
Sydney, Miggy.
You're staying here 2 years, right?
Yeah, 2 years.
Why did you
But-
choose Philippines instead of
I like the
Korea?
Filipino people, friendly people.
Yes,
Oh,
because
yeah,
we're
good people.
we're kind,
Yeah,
hospitable,
kind people, yeah. Good people, friendly people. Yeah. But just call me Mr. Hoon.
Mr.
Hoon.
Hoon.
Yeah, that's
Mr.
my
Hoon.
last name.
Nice to
약
meet
400m
you.
마스베이트 방면
That's my
좌회전입니다.
last name.
Last name.
My first name is
Mr.
Sutang.
Sutanghon?
It's Hoon Sutang.
Hoon Sutang.
Last name first in Korea.
Hoon Sutang.
The name
Han
is
Sutang, Han Sutang, Han
Yes.
Sutang.
Hoon Sutang.
Hoon Sutang.
Sutang.
Yeah, it's
Hoon
last
Sutang.
name
Nice
first.
to meet you, Hoon Sutang.
Yeah.
So do you go to Siargao,
Oh,
Palawan?
like tour in the
Palawan.
Philippines.
Palawan.
Tour.
You be Palawan?
Hmm?
I be Palawan pawn shop.
Palawan Pawn
Ah?
Shop?
Yes, just
Palawan. Ay, Palawan. Oh my God. Palawan. Oh my God.
You're a joker,
You're joking me.
You know,
Palawan.
a lot of Filipino friends always joking to me.
Yeah.
Yes,
I like the humor Filipino people.
Always be happy
Always happy, always smiling every day.
Yeah, right.
because
Laughter is the best.
medicine.
Oh,
of
yeah.
all
Is it
time.
true?
Because the medicine is the laughter. You know, the laughter is the medicine.
Uh-huh.
Tama. Tama yan, B.
By the way,
Ikaw ang past
I'm
five.
27.
Oh, really?
Yes. You know, you look acting on my face.
Oh my God.
I'm going to Korea now.
You're going to Korea.
You look for Korean
40
boyfriend.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. You can
You
give
like.
me some. Do you have friends? Wow.
I have a lot of friends, Korean friends here, just here
Here.
in Philippines. Yeah. Is this your first time to ride Korean driver? Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We are 3 Korean driver around here. No,
Ah,
3 Korean driver,
Korean.
and we are looking another space for our business here.
Oh, okay. So what kind of business? Still the
Shabu shabu.
the shabu
and
business.
casino. You know casino?
Oh.
Ogo.
Ogo.
Uy.
Hmm? Casino.
Yeah.
Casino.
Casino here.
Ah.
Here.
You're kind of good in joking.
Yeah, we are pandemic time. Yeah,
Oh,
Ah,
running
so
the
you've been here already.
2 times here and 2 years stay.
Yeah.
Second time 2 years stay.
Yeah, I understand.
But I thought you have a Filipino wife.
Hmm?
You don't have
Are
Filipino
you
wife?
single?
I'm single, but I'm ready
To
mingle.
mingle. Oh my God, me too. I'm single and I'm ready to mingle. You know mingle is Jared.
You know me, no?
I'm single.
Oh, why are you single?
Ready.
You look handsome. You're
Oh, no, no.
cute. You
Wow.
have white hair.
Wow.
Yeah, it's like K-pop vibe.
Oh, yeah.
know?
You like my? You like the hair?
Yeah. Oh, you have white hair. Is it blonde or
the-
it's natural?
What the?
Your hair.
This is natural here.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
What is the color?
Ash blonde.
Oh,
Ash blonde.
oh, yeah. Wait.
Oh
I
my God.
take off.
You know.
Oh yeah.
I
Here,
already
here, here.
got
Oh.
that.
Here, look.
Here.
Wow! Oh my
Like-
god, it's so soft.
Pinakulayan ko lang to eh. Pinakulayan ko lang to eh.
Ay!
Pinakulayan ko lang to dun.
Sabi na nga ba, pinagluloko ko tayo eh.
Yung nakikita
Oh
ko
my
sa
god!
Sabi na nga ba, Pinoy eh.
Oh my god, you prank me ah!
Pinakulayan ko lang to.
Oo nga, ano.
Mm.
Eh di kuya, ikaw yung napapanood ko sa TikTok.
Saan?
Yung nagbablog na ano.
Na? Korean?
Oo.
Papanggap?
Oo. May ganon.
Meron.
Oh my god, patingin, oh my god.
Saan tayo banda?
Dito lang po.
Ah, dito na?
Ano ba yan?
Diba?
Kuya, ano ako dun? Ano, prank?
It's a prank!
Ano yung Frank?
It's a
Oh my
prank!
god! I
Oh,
thought you're in
video.
Korea.
Ay, sige po.
Actually, ako po isang content creator.
Oh, I told you. I told you.
Bakit sa Korea?
Ha? Siyempre, props lang yan.
Ah, okay.
So, yun, nagpapanggap ako ng Korean, pinaprank ko yung mga pasahero ko, so ito yung camera natin.
Oh, sabi!
Ayan.
Uy, John.
Oh my god ah! Na-prank po kami guys. I
So, okay lang ba isama ko kay sa content ko? Okay
Go!
lang.
Oh my god.
Good
I
vibes
think
lang,
we're
no?
the base.
Yung shabu-shabu, no? Grabe kulat yun, no?
Shabu.
Kaya nagano kami. Nagtaka ako sabi, shabu-shabu. Shabu.
Tsaka yung pangalan, Sutang. Bakit Sutang?
Tapos yung North Korea, North Fairview lang pala. Tapos yung casino pa.
Eh, tika. Alam mo, kaya nakatutok pa sa akin.
Sagot kayo.
Ayan.
Buti pa sa akin, oh, oh di ba?
So, okay lang isama ko kayo, no?
Go!
Oh my God.
Dahil dyan, it's a free ride.
Di nga.
Mm.
Magbabayad kami. Okay lang yan.
Hindi na, sir.
Ha?
Nagko-content na ako dito.
Ah,
Ay, oh my god!
Ayan.
Okay, teacher. Ano yung ano mo? Pangalan.
Ito. Bibigyan ko kayo ng... ito.
Sticker.
Oh
Wow.
my god, what's
Oh my
that?
God.
Oh my
Yan.
god.
So, ito ako, yan. Don Bertos
Ay,
TV.
sabi ko na eh.
So,
Ay, sikat ka sa ano? Sa...
hindi naman.
Uy, sikat yan. Promise sa
Hindi nga.
Ang 1 million ano na siya followers.
Ha?
Baka hindi lang.
Hindi naman.
Charot.
So, ito galing sa The Gifters Garden, no? Bibigay ko sa inyo.
Oh my god.
Isa.
Thank you.
Anong size? Ito may mga sizes to.
Thank you po.
Galing sa
Ayan,
The
ganyan
Gifters.
lang din po.
Ganito
Pwede
lang
ko
din?
sa phone, no?
Oh, The Gifters Garden.
The Gifters
Oh
Garden.
my
Oh, may
God.
sponsor
Shout
ka na.
out The Gifters Garden. At saka,
The Gifters
keychain galing sa Innovative.
Wow.
Yan.
Thank you very
Apat.
much.
Awa.
So, shoutout natin si The Gifters Garden
The Gifters
at saka si
Garden.
Innovative.
Okay, thank you.
Yan, ito.
Shout
Keychain.
out po. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Oh my god, I love
Thank you po.
this.
Thank you.
And it's a free ride.
Hindi nga.
Oh, free ride na siya.
Hello, oh my
Yan,
God.
shoutout yun yung mga kaibigan ninyo.
Oh, shoutout mo yun.
Shout out
Shout
po
out
sa ano sa mga
mga
taga Hernani. Kay Shahan, kay Kristen yung nasa Austria.
So, ibig sabihin, siya lang nakakapanood sa vlog ko dati.
Yes po, napapanood po kita
Ah,
talaga.
Tapos ikaw, sir.
Hindi.
Ito.
Parang
Hindi. Ito.
na ano lang sa FY. Thank you
Don
po.
Bertos. Okay,
Don Bertos
follow
TV.
tayo, follow.
Yan. Follow Don Bertos TV.
Yes.
YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok.
Ako nga. Naku, nilibre pa tayo.
Thank you
Okay lang
kuya.
yan.
Bye!
Shoutout natin ulit si The Gifters Garden by AC at syempre, Innovative.